Well. Good morning. Dream team, one team, you know, it's keen life in Jamaica. Yes, you know, we're back here on the journey again. I know today, you know where we're going. Tell them where we're going.
I got Portland with the boatland, my place. You know how the thing come down. Yeah, man. I link with my team. The whole lot. Yeah. You know how to walk on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be epic, yeah?
Yeah. So you know if I don't see the face, I'm not have to tell you the name. And for him to say Portland with the boatland is no joke thing. You know, we're heading to Portland, you know, that's Colorsmith TV. You know, once more it's the official link up. I know it's the journey. Today, Real Colors and D Mwanga, you know, straight into Portland, you know, because you know, so that's my road the boat, you know. So you know, it's a pure boat, I go land. Official, you know, I will give thanks. Remember, please check the link in description, you know, for Colorsmith TV. If you haven't subscribed to me, please go and subscribe. What you waiting on? You know, you might not start run water yet. No, you don't start yet. You know, you think the key of life in Jamaica, you know, this is it. So we're there, gonna look to head out, you know. Here to pick up the Mwanga. I don't know such a day, you know. Up there's a nice view, right, Colors?
Yeah, man.
This is the life. Perfect. You know, this is the life.
Beautiful.
Them say we feel have a good life once we have a good wife,
yes.
right? That's all I want. Once you have a good life, all I want is a good wife, and this is the life, you know. This is the life. I'm the dream team, one team. So we're on the journey today. So it's gonna be my first time heading to Portland. You know, where them say the boatland. You know, the food pattern roll. That's the way it is. You know, my first time in Portland. So it's gonna be a journey, and I hope you enjoy. Remember, please, if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, remember to put the thumbs up. You know, while you're watching the premiere. You get me? Comment down there. You know, say hi to everyone in the premiere section. That's saying hi to me. Blessings to all, you know, big enough, enough love. Mama Africa, you know, I will see you soon. Definitely have to go to the mother's land. You know, it's all on God's plan. So I will definitely go there. So yes, we on the journey. So blessed love to all. Good morning.
Hey guys, good morning from the one of the richest neighborhoods in Jamaica. This is a gated community. All right, and my name is D Mwango. I'm from Kenya, now here in Jamaica. Please check me out as well on YouTube, road to 400k, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, road to 50k.
Yeah. 50K.
Yes, thank you so much, Team Kino. You are the best.
Team D, with the colors, you're on the road to what, 200?
That you can call it that, yes.
On the road.
It's on
yeah,
the
man,
road.
we get there, man. We get there, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
So today is a big collabo that you guys have always been asking for. The day is here.
Yeah. Road
to bring them down to Portland, you know?
With the boatland.
Wow. Yeah. That's
Portland
beautiful.
with the boatland.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Yeah, man.
Banana service thing. Yeah, why? Want to go some tea, muffin and rice in the rain. And beg your help out, my father, please and thanks. God bless you, no. Yeah, be a rain and fall. Look how the kids there at home and wait for me to come in, my father. Please.
I just wipe it off, can I wash already? Just wipe it off.
Wipe it off.
Can I wash already?
Alright, dry, yeah.
Alright, hold ya. See there.
Thanks for only give me here. I put to us something. Thanks.
Alright, yeah. One stop. How far we stop, Colors?
It's a friendship gap in Garden.
What's the name of this place?
Friendship gap.
Oh, Friendship Gap.
OFC.
Oh,
I remember how long this is happening, but I put them on there.
And the way colors
Bamboo.
driving.
How are you doing bamboo here? This bamboo. We're gonna make with these.
Oh no, I using them to do a little chop up and have some hockey tree in town. When you cut the hockey tree, then hang down low, so you're gonna use it to prop them up.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
first time here in Portland.
This is St. Mary right now.
I know, but it's going to Portland. So how long we have left to go?
Oh, to Portland, well, maybe another drive another 3 quarters. Another as before you get to leave on that to be going to Portland, another half an hour drive.
Half an hour. Okay, not bad.
Half an hour.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. We're not far away.
No,
Not far
but
away.
you know, Portland is beginning, so when you get to Anata Bay, it's just another 15 minutes drive because it's good road.
Good
To
road.
Portland, but to get into Port Antonio is a longer drive.
Is it?
You know, the capital is Port Antonio. So when you have about Portland, you know, you have the starting point and then you get to that.
Is that what it is? You?
Yeah.
Stop pumpkin.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
That's what you see.
You have a farm?
Yes.
Or a pumpkin farm?
Nice.
Well, not a pumpkin farm, but a good pumpkin and
Okay. We're in St. Mary here?
hike it.
Oh, in St. Mary here.
You still have some in the garden?
Not right now. Because the drought we have in now,
Okay. So we're going to Kingston now?
That's the biggest pumpkin I've ever reached.
This one though?
127 pounds.
127 pound. That pumpkin is big.
It's a record.
A record, Guinness Book of Records. That's a big pumpkin.
Party. I'm going to turn back in.
And turn back. Which place are we there now? Which area?
You're in St. Mary.
St. Mary now.
And this is Friendship Gap.
Friendship Gap. Why them call it Friendship Gap?
Well, that is the old time name in my opinion, because in the old time days, people were so friendly. So they walk from different districts and come out here to put up their load, and the people were so friendly. So they say, come and go to Friendship Gap, man.
So people still friendly same way?
Well, a lot of people friendly with no crime or anything around here. We won't get you're not going to get back the 20s and the 30s and the 40s. But at the same time, the people still friendly and nice here. And this is a stop that most people haven't made because you have the goodies.
Okay.
You have the chicken, famous chicken here, curious chicken here.
The famous chicken.
Everybody stop to get, and you have soup shop, you have bars. It's a stop that people, once you're going to Eastern end of the Highlands, it's a stop that you normally make. And bread, one of the most famous bread you can get inside there.
Yeah, why is it famous?
Because of the quality.
Quality. White bread or brown bread?
Yes, and some round bread that we commonly used to call them Christmas bread. You can go inside.
Oh, okay, so then bake them in here.
Yeah.
Oh, it
The
is.
famous chicken is what I tell you about.
Okay.
And the bread.
No, the famous chicken.
And the famous bread.
Yeah. They say better than KFC.
Yeah. So what you think all is better than KFC?
No, it's the fried better.
Fried better. So what's to make these chickens so special, miss? Hello, good afternoon, good afternoon. Are you the chef too? The cook?
The chef.
So what make these chickens so special? Hello.
Alright.
Can you tell me why it's so special?
Because of the type of seasoning and everything that they use.
Nice, it's true.
So wait there, so you can give me the recipe.
It's a secret recipe.
They can't tell me, I'm not going to tell nobody.
But they can't talk in the public.
Alright, tell me in my ears. No, them not here, come tell me in my ears. Come now.
They can't do that.
Them not look, right? Them not look, so you can come tell me one. Alright, tell me a Lucas yet. You know Lucas yet? You want to drink this?
Maybe the coconut. Oh, let me have one piece of chicken.
Oh, she want to try the famous chicken too.
One piece.
At the cashier. this famous chicken. Okay, look at here. So you can try the famous chicken, D?
But I only need one piece.
Have you tried KFC already?
The breast. KFC?
Yeah.
I'm not a fast food girl, so I've never tried it in Jamaica. Actually, I can't remember the last time I ate KFC in my life. Long ago. For me, it's all about plantain, porridge, and patties.
Hey. So we're gonna try the famous.
Pour.
Chicken.
It's so famous.
Yeah.
How do they call it?
It's so famous, so big chef Colors have to stop. Imagine Colors what can cook himself have to stop.
But he has to stop for it.
Alright, boy, half an hour more for go though.
For me, I don't have there 5 minutes.
You can imagine that the way you see.
I joke.
From where we are, it's supposed to take 30 minutes, but Kola is taking 5 minutes.
Yeah, for him, if it was him alone driving 5 minutes.
Just kidding people.
You can get one piece of the famous chicken. What part of the chicken you want?
The breast.
The breast.
500 digits. The 114.
The famous chicken. Famous.
How much did they sell?
3,125.
3,000?
Huh? Me? No, not me.
I was like, what?
I'm gonna take back the plane right away. Let me get one piece of the famous chicken, a breast, and a local here, please. Because them said famous.
I could be so surprised. 3,000.
Down, I take a plane back right now. Book the ticket. The famous chicken. Oh, famous. Yeah. Breast is head, right?
No.
Can I have a breast, please, for the one piece chicken?
So this is the chicken, guys.
Give me some festival. Them 3,000. Alright.
Famous chicken. Them say the famous chicken. Well, they will find out if it's famous. You know, if it's more famous than you know, so we don't have a famous fish, like we don't have famous chicken, we don't have famous fish. Only Sprat not famous anymore, man. Sprat well known.
They call me.
Yeah.
What part of the chicken for the one?
Breast, she said breast, right?
It's because bad.
I've been there.
Yeah.
You are vegetarian.
Yeah, simmer one type. Yeah, you can't do that.
No, it's not.
That's your body say we couldn't do it, but we have to do it though.
What?
Oh, being a veggie, stop eat meat.
Oh, okay. I thought
They cannot do without them chicken and them oxtail
And pork.
and them pork
you
And
eating
beef.
pork?
and them mutton.
Pork nice.
Pork nice?
Yeah, you did.
Never in my life.
No pork.
Just give me kalaloo, plantain, porridge. I'm good. Good.
And chicken ginger.
Yeah, chicken, but not so much. Like one piece and all that, and that is
They
it.
have ketchup and thing at them said. They get
Oh.
the famous bread too.
Ooh, there we go.
Famous bread wrapper.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much is it for that one piece? How much is it for this one piece?
It's cheap.
I just wanna know.
Cheap. It's very cheap. About $100.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
100. Okay.
Cheap. Right? Not so cheap. Not so cheap. Yeah, cheap. I know, man. Let's come put the ketchup on it and tell me how famous it is.
Oh no, I don't want ketchup.
Oh, ketchup. Here the far.
Thank you. Kino doesn't eat chicken.
No, so young color stayed in the same boat to Portland.
We're enjoying.
Yes, young color.
Now the worst part of me is removing the skin. I don't eat the skin. I have to
Rest it
remove
over
it.
here. Rest it over here.
If I eat this and the way I love showering at the river and putting on bikinis, I cannot. I don't want to make my belly fat. Because I'm a bikini girl.
Alright, so like the chicken tastes so good, Colors. You was a big chef, you can't cook nothing nicer than this?
This, if me come in here and give me one day, man.
Problem.
Then they hire me as a chef in there.
Alright, see? So today even more famous. Today even more famous.
So good. Wow.
Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Wow.
Yeah, they might go on.
Where you from Colors top? I remember the Colors said that even from man, but knowing him.
I don't want to put myself on the spot, but them eat nice and KFC.
What can I say? If I'm famous fish, because I tell us the fish nice. You know, so people say eat for themselves. The lady all the way from Kenya say yes, it tastes so good. Yeah, so we here stop off in St. Mary. Them say Mary have a little lamb. St. Mary and far, man. Quick and fast.
Let me record for myself a little bit.
Yeah. So out here at the top, this top. So you get all the food, everything.
If you want a soup
spot over there, so the fish spot there.
No, I just didn't spread that out.
Chicken. But I don't eat the skin of the chicken, I just spit it. And it tastes really good, really nice.
Leave me just your car with a lot of your jellies.
Oh, jellies? Oh.
So we're at the famous friendship gap. So them say out here straight friendship. Everyone is friendly. No one is an enemy. They get me, so it's a good name, so I hope it live up to expectation. Friendship gap. Friends only. Everybody friendly. Right? So it's all friendly, friendlies and friendlies. So these are my new friends. I'm going to big up on myself. Like we have friends, because we have friendship lane. And them say everybody here is friendly. No one ain't mean. Right, my friend?
Yeah.
See, we're friend now. My name is Kino, my friend. Samaya. What's her name? I like her name. What my friend? What's your name? Lisa. That Lisa. Anna Lisa with a smile. So Colors will find a new friend at friendship lane. Yeah. So if anybody say if you short a friend and want a friend to come at friendship lane in St. Mary. Friendship gap. Sorry. So we're going to change the gap to lane. You know, everybody passing through. Yeah, so this is the gap where you stop. You know, you have food, you have shop. Oh, my son. Right hand spot. Oh. Like your name, you come from Africa?
Name Samaya.
Samaya.
Samala.
Yeah. Who give you that name? Your mother or your father?
I don't know how it's one of them.
So all these years on this earth, you never ask them who named me? Lisa Anna, who gave you the name there?
Most likely my cousin.
Cousin them? So we have mother and father name?
That's the right name.
Okay. Why your right name? So people tell me?
No, Valisha.
Suppose somebody have a baby and they don't want to keep your name.
My name is not so good, so they can't want it.
Valisha? Nothing wrong with Valisha. Nothing wrong with Samaya?
Nothing wrong with it.
Exactly. So where your son and our daughter are going to name?
Sapphire.
Sapphire.
like the gem.
Yeah.
Because gemstone.
I like taxi man.
I like friendship gap, so I would definitely passing back through. Yeah? So it's nice meeting you.
Samaya.
Yeah, Samaya. Lisa, Anna.
Bye.
We're going to hit the road, yeah? Tell her that she can subscribe to her soon self, right? At the friendship gap. Hello, friendly.
Look for your brother-in-law.
Ah. So apparently, basic colors we at the bar.
Mary.
Yeah.
So if you go right over there, you're crossing into Portland. So just walk through, enter into Portland.
So you know, like when they must say if you want to go to the US, you have to jump the border. Right now, I want to go into Portland. So I'm gonna jump the border to go Portland. Cross the border. Run across the border. Yo, immigration! No immigration can't catch me right now. Look. Cross the border, so now we're at Portland.
So right now you have 1 foot in and 1 foot out.
Yeah, see there? 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Right. See there, Portland, over the boat land. So we're gonna cross it with me, right? 1 foot in.
This is it, Mary.
It's a halfway.
Go back that side, you enter in.
So now in Portland.
Right now.
Right now it's in Portland.
Right.
Out there is St. Mary.
Okay. So look at the border too now. Literally the same place.
Yeah.
It's literally the same place. So finally we're in Portland. So people, as I say, please go and subscribe to Color Smith TV. We need to get him to 200k.
Yes.
You know, and moving up forward from there. So I'm saying it's really a blessing today. My first time in Portland. You know, if it wasn't for D, our Colors, our Chris, this thing wouldn't happen right now. And we give thanks. You know, we give thanks. You know, finally, my feet is on the ground. Yeah. Portland, my feet is on the ground, you know. So now I go back over St. Mary, as you can see. St. Mary. Yo, when I Portland, I St. Mary. Yo, where I say? Eh? Where I say? Eh?
That is it. Without Portland, that's it.
Yeah. So we can stay over here and say if you cross my bar, they say a pure war. Hey, D, don't come cross over here, you know. You know, you have to get deport. Stay over there. Stay over the border. You can't cross the border.
Okay, I want to take some pictures too.
Yes, at the famous spot. Yes. Portland, where the boat land. Come the time to go take the boat.
Okay.
Right? You ready? Driver, don't stop at all.
That is it.
Join me closely.
Yeah, need for speed. Socks. Man himself. That is it. Brown bars. Brown bars. Socks, that's D.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah, man.
I want to take a catch socks.
Yeah, okay, check for my brother.
Oh, so no water now for them side here.
No, that we don't tell the water, but we have river still. We have go cross on it.
On the river? But now we are what there?
Yeah, but we are go greet them up as a first and come back.
Kente. So Kunte also have a YouTube channel, right?
Secluded kitchen, you know.
Miss Little.
Secluded kitchen. I want to make that.
Yeah. So you chef up all different type of things.
Juice boss and a big meal boss, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, more while they are watching and see big meal at work.
Yeah.
Kunte, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Kunte, Kente.
Yeah, man, so definitely check out Miss Secluded kitchen.
Hot kitchen.
It,
Yeah, that is not no cold kitchen, it's hot kitchen. So check out the hot kitchen if you want to see the hot stuff then. I can't believe my thing broke off.
All natural CMA, you know?
CMA. All natural. This is the life.
Alright,
In
guys.
Portland.
Finally, here we are.
Yeah, we're there for our block now. Yeah, technically this is St. Mary. That's just how we went to Portland. Most of our adventure them take us into Portland. That's how we just say, you know, Portland with it. Because we
What's the name again? I forgot the name.
Socks.
Socks. That's the name.
Miss
Oh,
Litter.
what belongs to you?
So me have an Anthony Liquor as well too, you know.
Liquor?
Yeah.
you must miss liquor.
Yes, sir,
This is
Miss
Kino.
Yes, Kino, Miss Liquor.
Hot kitchen.
Yeah.
You get everything the hot stuff then.
So the big pot them put on.
Hi, Miss Liquor.
Miss liquor.
Alright, so I have a caller over there now.
Yeah.
Just roll up some liquor. Ready for your liquor at the pot and all that stuff, you know. The kitchen spot this.
Yeah. G about the baker where I see man.
Yeah. Cheer bud.
Step up and I work on the house same time.
See him here. So I look for socks.
Yeah,
See the house.
But the house I go up at top.
Yeah. Oh, so I go up top now? Yeah, man. Yeah, G bud. See there? Great chef. Look yourself. Kino. You know.
Watch your blog right.
Yeah. What the name?
Ocean.
Ocean. See there? So G bud. How we have here today?
Some beef where I do and some Esco beach fish, huh?
Esco Beach. I know Esco Beach from the beach today, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? That's why we always say Esco Beach. You know, on the beef. What type of beef?
Stew, yeah?
Stew and stew the beef. Nah, roast the beef, nah, fry the beef, but I go and stew the beef.
Yeah, that's what I do with today on the website, you know?
Season everything there. And the special rice them always use. The jasmine. You know the jasmine rice, them say man like jasmine rice, but the rice yeah, on the bag it said jasmine. You know, so the rice I eat. Yeah, the grains every night and it said jasmine. Right, that is it, and we have a little avocado here would be like the most.
That I want.
So the tree not that far, right? The tree that close by?
You want to see the tree up with the other one?
Well, so we can climb it, right?
You can climb that tree there?
Every so Kingston come to country, you know, so you know the thing going on. So we used to dropping off a tree.
Yeah.
So you know it goes already.
Yeah man people, so we're gonna make this one marinate, you know?
Yeah. The beef one marinate.
Yeah.
Yes, place cool. Yeah man. What go on with the man ever cook? You not get your plate yet? Eh? What go on? All is well? Oh boy. So that gully, what is a river always run here, so? Oh, so the drought affecting down here as well too? Wow. Look a bit of water. So you can see the drought really affect everywhere, imagine that. Even here in Portland, we know we have so much rivers and everything. Also you have socks also as well too. If you wash your house opening, you see where socks place is and everything. You know, so we're there once, we're there now for the first time there in Portland, so you know it goes already. So hope they say you have socks also, they might go and put in some work on it and thing. You know, so we'll show you how going around here. Why? You have all the goat agree with the country. The Portland goat say, yeah, town man there. Yo, when I cook here, you know, I'm a vegetarian, you know. Oh, so it's a woman goat, so people don't cook woman goat. So them do the thing. People don't cook woman goat, so you know the thing go. So we have a Alright, relax. So go on, you glad to see me? You glad to see me? You glad to see me? You know, it's really a blessing today. So as you can see, we're here with Color Smith TV and the whole entourage. You know, we have Miss Liquor. The hot stuff. So Kunte, what kind of juice there right now for drink? No juice, no drink. Eh?
No juice right now.
No right now.
Yeah,
we know colors.
So what's up? You want one?
Yeah, see there.
Yeah man, so what's up?
And Miss Liquor say, alright, so J-Board in the kitchen today, right?
Eh?
A J-Board in the kitchen today then.
Yeah, J-Board that cook today, but still keep man if you want.
Yeah.
We just come strong and look. Sometimes you have to look and make
Yeah.
people then cook.
Because I realize that I go and you'll oversee everything right now. So you have to go on overseas.
Yeah, and see things are going right. Sometimes I just lean back.
Yeah.
I make
Rock away.
cool.
I like I listen to a whole heap of song. Lean back.
Yeah.
Lean back. So Miss Liquor, tell them something about your Miss Liquor hot kitchen.
When Miss Liquor hot kitchen I go on Miss Liquor out here and Miss Liquor love to cook it all time food. Yes, like a roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
The rundown with the salt mackerel
Boy.
and the red herring.
Boy.
Yeah, Miss Liquor
Hey.
love that. The stew peas
Hey.
and the star fruit and the saltfish.
What? Star fruit?
Yeah.
How you call star fruit again?
One jimbling like, but when you cut it, just see the natural star, it look like star when you cut it. Yeah, it kind of out now because we have one tree there, but we don't cook it off.
Yes, I.
Cook it and drink it.
You don't say no really leave none for us.
Then as you see through the rain come, then just fall off. When they're ripe,
Yeah.
everything just, so you have to just heat them up fast.
Okay,
So we make juice and we cook in a saltfish. Yeah man, that's how I slick like one man.
Miss Liquor go and be a thing, so
Yes.
I'm glad I'm there so I can get the guavas and salt fish.
Salt, guava and star fruit.
No man, guava and salt fish.
Take me before
Just give us an idea, you know.
cook up the saltfish with the guava.
Jesus Christ. You ever think what I want to do?
No.
Take out the seed more
Yeah,
time.
you have to go to see it.
Yeah. So me just give you an idea a while ago. Can get done though.
Yeah,
Imagine that.
yeah.
But I'm not eat starfish still, it's too bad.
Yeah, saltfish.
No. Yeah, so we eat all different type of the swim around, but we don't eat the starfish.
Yeah, the
We
saltfish.
don't eat the chicken. I'm vegetarian, so that's seafood.
Yeah, okay.
So we got all the ground provide.
Oh,
So
yeah.
anything you can create in the ground, we get the salt mackerel and the red herring and
Salt
everything.
mackerel like the red herring. Oh,
You ever eat the red and run down yet?
No.
red herring cook down
Meet
with
the red herring and ackee.
man, red herring bad in I run up. What's if you have two gully bean in it?
Yeah, no, I say, I have to have my recipe book.
Yeah,
I
man.
have a pencil still, and I have a book down there, so I carry everything got
If you
Kingston.
have the red herring and the gully bean with the cook
Gully bean?
Yeah, we call it susumba.
Susumba. Yeah, there, yo, you have to see with me, you know.
Green something man, cause you're Kingston, man.
Yeah,
So you
okay.
not too know them there's something
No.
there. No, your granny we know it.
Yes.
You have to check your granny.
Alright, yeah, that Miss Blanche, I have to go check her and
she
find
will
out.
know
'Cause
them something there.
Younger can tell about the plum them and the mango them are down there and them good thing there, you know, we see them drink much. So alright then, so viewers, you know, Liquor Hot Kitchen is going to be the description, you know, just check the link and go and subscribe to our here, holiday menu there, everything hot. So boy, I mean I tell you, just whenever you're watching, just try and make sure so you have your pot, you have your spoon, your fork, just get whatever she's cooking, just start cook with her while she cook. You know, so learn something new, because boy, it seems like a lot we're going to learn from Miss Liquor. You know, and compare with all the drinks them, all the drinks them. Jesus Christ.
So what's up, Joe? So today I go wicked too.
Yeah,
From here, boy, so what's up, man?
yeah.
What we do with them,
Like I call it say, Isa.
Take your
Take
time.
your time.
No joke.
Yeah, no joke. You call that Isa.
Take your time.
You take them time today.
See them on the Benz, man.
Yeah.
Benz van.
See there.
Good, man. Isa.
Isa.
Right, man, you know, take
This
it.
is the famous Benz van.
Yeah.
So if you haven't come to Portland and take a picture at this van, that means you never come to Portland.
Gear stick to you, man. A gear shift, you know.
You see it there?
Yeah.
This is the 2024 one, right?
That one in a job.
They show them what you can do.
They are showing us that she's no city girl.
He's just putting one spoon.
Once, you want more than that?
Tell them say one more, D.
No, but it's not heavy anyway.
Hey.
You guys are just being too much.
All the
Tomorrow I'll be working here.
Hey.
and she not even stop.
Our colors are drop. And the Evans colors over that. Eh? The Evans slippers.
Wow, she's strong, man. Tell her.
All me and colors are drop. And she come for 2 buckets and no she don't drop.
You guys.
No star. Me I tell you, man.
Job, eh? I just need proper shoes.
D, what you gonna say? What you gonna say, D? What you have to
I'm a
say?
lioness.
Yo, why me drop ya? D, take your time.
Mostly on the concrete. No, but that's some more.
Slippery, you know, it's very slippery there.
That's some say set back.
Okay. Oh. Me, I'm just a lioness. I'm stronger than Kino.
I'm telling you. You make it look
Kino,
like
it's your turn.
make it look like me now try.
You turn next you can manage it.
I keep me a Kingston, you know. Everyone was a dream to do a lot of work, you know.
Boy.
Yeah, so I share for sure what she can do. So she'll teach you the village work, you know. Sure.
Boy, D, right now you're so for holy a woman now, you know. Some of them can't manage anything there. No woman can't manage that. Two.
Big up to myself, a lioness. I'm stronger than Kino. Kino, now it's your time. Let's see.
No, you win already, you win. There's no competition.
No competition.
I cannot compete.
It's not competition.
I cannot compete with you.
It's not competition.
You're a lioness.
But it's good job, you know? Like
You're a lioness. You're a lioness. I crown you from today. I give you the crown.
I take it.
Take it with honor.
Yeah, but you know, this is the beauty of growing up in the countryside. Like you get used to.
These are two of the other team members.
Okay.
And
Nice to meet you.
Tea bag and ground guard. Tea bag, you see that name there? That's a good name, you know.
Yeah, but it don't go already.
Don't go already.
Yeah.
But T-bag is not a bad name.
No, tea bag is a good name.
Of course.
You know them call tea bag in England, in the UK. You know?
Also,
You already
I know. You don't know, right? I know. Colors, you know. You tell him. Okay. Yeah. It's on the ladies in the call tea bag, so nice to meet you.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Who that? The great man. What go on? Never just the boss get brown. How when you fly out, man?
You're not fly out.
Yeah. Fly out, sir.
Lock up in our house, man.
Yeah. Got Portland
Lock
cold.
up in our house, do me change. Just a change like a green lizard.
You put that one tall socks. You them cross socks, you put that one tall socks. Cool, man. I like the energy and the vibes up on the corner. Oh, yeah, you had some, man?
Let's walk over here.
Oh, you come up the hill? Yeah. So the place normal this hot, right? It get cooler.
Sometimes cooler.
So what about in the night?
Night time, it's cool, man.
Cool. Because Mandeville cool, you know.
Cool.
That's so cooler than Mandeville?
No, sir. No.
Mandeville more?
Yeah, man, more cooler. So, no, depends on the area because you have some countryside up this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I used to man near Blue Mountain, that you know, man.
Okay. So boy, I think Mandeville are cheap.
Yeah, no one there, right?
What do you see you say I'm mad, you are mad out.
Sometimes I say we do some crazy things.
Oh, the vibes. We like your energy, man. I like the vibes from the headquarters, you know? It's a great vibes. So, T-bag, what you make when you make juice, you cook, what you do? You're the fireman, catch fire. And you catch a fish. Which one of them?
All different things.
All different. Let's see, the socks, give your channel a shout out now, man. Tell them a channel.
Socks and
Socks, man, understand you. Socks, what go on? You can't shy, you know. Don't shy out the thing, man. What go on?
Sometimes it's shy, man, you see it.
And sometimes, man, if you go shy, just shy and done. If you don't shy, don't shy.
Great socks adventure.
The great socks, no, man. Colors, they want you help him.
No, man, you know?
Yeah.
You know why problem?
What go on?
You see a part where say that it say hand something there. There's some can't say it good. Me can't say that. Me can't say that.
Okay. So now man, we teach you, man. If you can't say it, just knock your back and you come out.
Yeah.
And yeah, just knock your back and come out. The great, just check out Socks Adventure. You know, as I say, we're there, we're going to share collaboration, so you can check the link them in the description. The thing go. So Socks are chef see him in the kitchen, you know. So me never say Socks have speech impediment, you know, when you tie out, so boom, boom, and slick it out. You know. Oh man, all is well, man. May I get the GoPro batch them? And then.
No, it's not
Okay, the pot is on. On. Okay. Man, I'm so cold. No wood. It's cold. See the sauce up there now?
Yeah.
Jaja.
Sauce up, juice.
The sauce up for the back.
Yeah.
Sauce up for the back. Straight in the back. And sauce up straight in the back. So who not get no youth yet? Sauce up here for the back.
Backbone, yeah?
Yes. Straighten all the areas then whenever straighten number 4. And the beef, you know, everything go.
Nice to go on, yeah?
So we're going to
Yeah, man. Destroy a pot, man. All the way down the road, valley for your nose, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't convert a vegetarian. If it can't convert my nose, I got a problem, you know.
No, you can't put your nose, man. That's why not go there.
Alright, him have him fine. He said, I'm not go there. But I will see chore right in, because I see the water dry out of the pot, so you know, say.
So already, you know? Get in the island, you know?
I know.
Get in the island, you know, people. When I use no whole heap of oil, you know? So a little bit, yeah?
A little bit. The beef pot. And the brown stew pot. See them man, the brown stew pot. Beef pot, the brown stew pot.
Yeah. Fish there, season up already too, yeah?
See there, how you call them fish now?
Catfish, grunt. Oh, boat mullet.
Oh,
And par.
I want to catch them. So,
The boat man, we get them from this morning, yeah?
oh, the boat. It's a Portland with a boatland. Yeah, in Jamaica, you know everything over there.
Yeah.
Portland with them say the boatland. We're not talking about the boat we see, we're talking about the pot we are boil right now, isn't it? Had a boat that run, you know. So they in Portland finally, you know. Great epic collaboration with and colours and the whole team, you know. So there's too much. So there's so much info cars, you know, link out there in the description. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, man. Or if you watch right now, you watch Colors Meter and subscribe. Or if you do that, the man say 80% watching not subscribe. Come on, man, do better than that, man. If you're watching for your TV, get the smartphone and subscribe and then go back, you know. And you know, so we're there in Portland. Remember, hard work, you know, bringing a great content. So, yeah, YouTube as well too. Okay, so J about the baker as well too. So you know what I about now, talk about no faker. You talk about J about the baker. If I take him a bake it, I'll beef him beef it. So, you see me? So if you want beef patty, you get it. Beef or anything. So anything if it's J about the baker, yeah, he's not no faker. He's from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Hey, we full of riding so like artists. Yeah, on them studio up here. Bang, bang. See it there? So I have to go voice the word them lyrics so when I do up here chat. Yeah, colours appear rhyme, they are rhyme, you know. Yeah, it's not so white and a line though. So when they speak on time. Jeez, you're there. Lyrics inclined, so you're the fry now. Yeah, this is the beef, you know. It's not tough. So yeah, so when it's tough, an old cow.
Yeah.
And when it's sharp, a young cow. So a dwarf, a young cow, this one I deal with that, right? So you can circle back in 10 minutes, it's ready. You know what I mean? So do you bring the tractor shoes? So you know she ready. You never bring the tractor shoes and fish shoes. But they walk with it. Eh?
I shoot the white belly.
A far wheel?
I'm good looking. I'm good.
You ready for it,
What?
for the hill? Them says 10 miles up.
Even 100 miles is okay. No?
Ah.
Okay, see, really go getter.
Yeah.
Chef, I learned to convert my nose to the by the time I come back it will, right?
Yeah. What's that there? You see the wheel? Yeah, right? Yeah. Oh, I'm going to tell you to find to walk it. How many say what you park it there? This? No, sir.
Aki tree.
Can't see Aki, man.
No, sir. This right there, fine.
Can't see 1, 2.
You have a good.
Can't see a few.
Now, where?
Not really.
Ah, I don't know. Never.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Let's decline. The machine? Just bend your knee, bend your knee. Just bend your knee, man. Just bend your knee and come up. Show them real village girl.
Look at that view over there.
Watch the view. Look at that view. Hilltop view.
Hilltop.
Hilltop.
So good.
Whoa. This is where you want the mansion. Well, the girl shan. Country, you know. Hey, mommy, a long time we are climbed hill, you know.
No.
From Westmoreland days. But look who you would. That's you know, fit.
Me?
See, I can treat that whole park here, you know. But I want to open. See what it is? See, I can see I can open for myself. You see?
Yeah. 1 and 2 the ponies.
Up here, so.
Yeah, carry load. Jelly, coconut, everything, banana. What? Where?
Where name? Where YouTube name?
Public spear fishing adventure.
Public spear fishing. So I wonder if we can get some spear fishing. From some colors a deep dive, you know. So what they call a spear fish and say, boy, I never have no luck catching none. Tea bag. Style. And change it to drinking water. Rolling through the hills. Jelly hunt. Because we can say nature life is always the best life. You know, there's nothing beat nature. Nothing at all. We don't even bring out a bucket for load it up with jelly water. Nothing beat nature. So you can get a tent and camp in here, so. Yeah, so she want camp.
If you're alone and nobody knows where you are, you're okay. That's what I know. What do you think?
Yeah.
Even animals nowadays are sweet and nice. They won't harm you.
You stay there. When the snake buck you, tell me say it's sweet and nice. One thing I like is the snake.
One thing with people now, they don't see when you're working hard, but you see as the success start coming,
Then feel like it come easy.
everybody at your back, you know,
Yeah.
standing like this.
Yes.
She stab you.
So you're doing it?
They don't see you,
They
don't
don't see.
see the
They
hard work
don't
that you
care.
put in.
Them always see the finishing line, you know.
Yeah.
But then you know say everybody life have a story. You know. And it's a journey for everybody. Same like how them see a house when it finish. And them like, wow, the whole person are rich.
Nice, I'm
But then realize that the house will take all 20 years,
Yeah.
25 years to build. And then forward another time when it finish. You know?
Wet, dripping,
Dripping,
out here.
dripping.
Creating content for you guys. So please subscribe just to show love and support. It's not too much to ask for.
It's not. You know, sitting there in your bedroom or in your living room, getting all these content.
The second corner.
They are caught in the corner.
Mosquito fully man.
So D, how much corner you have left to go, D?
One.
Oh, now him say 2 more corner.
Okay.
So where mosquito come from? What? Follow them up like that.
Hey, on the bag, there are so many.
Yeah. Mine ain't in the bag them there, you know. You have to walk with the mosquito. Mine ain't in the tea bag. Rolling with the mosquitoes. Mosquito there enough, man. Like I said, man, I'm at one plane. I like a pure mosquito. Yeah.
Mosquito when I kill out them one away.
I must say I release on what the dengue.
Oh, the one to kill the dengue man. Mosquito. One time I didn't see one. I let go the dengue.
See them here, yeah. When you see that, I say, yes, man, I go on with. That's for them talk about some virus to come and talk about the airborne. Them man that pollute the place. This is it. So colors in the cook around them side too.
I was supposed to have the most fire side in Jamaica.
Pan plane.
Everywhere.
Out in a sea. Yeah.
Anytime I come here, Friday, come back. Have a nice river for take on.
Alright then.
Nice.
You know, if you create, like when you know a dancer always create out get awards. If you have YouTube awards for the cooking adventures them. You know? So we yourself as YouTuber have to start crowing some YouTuber and say, yo, are you the best cooking for the year, you know? This awards go to Color Smith or whosoever.
You know, so me have a...
One tree corner.
Yeah man, me have some work plan for some of my team man.
Yeah man. If you can do it, man, I get the thing big man, just like our dancer create them for them little thing. When you have if it's a dancer or the music for the year and them little thing there. YouTuber have to create them thing there. You see me? We do adventure.
Yeah. But we have no use.
You suppose when you reach, you said no jelly punch.
Impossible.
Is it impossible?
Yeah, look this.
Okay. Imagine all I walk there for 1 hour there, I walk people. We don't reach it. You know? Almost there. So quiet up here. This is it. Oh. Now we start to coconut tree. That is it. Look at that.
We're resting.
Yeah.
One fireside.
So this is how I Color Smith them kitchen.
Kitchen.
With the view there behind you. Hey. Priceless. Priceless now, the view, man. So yes or no, this, so you come run your boat right there, so right?
Yeah.
You're gonna come cook right here with the view. Look at the view.
Further up too.
Further up. Oh, that socks on the bike?
Socks up.
No man, socks up, I go park the bike and come back.
Guys, please give the video a like.
Yeah man,
And
please.
subscribe if you haven't already. We're hiking up the hill, going to get some jelly. Hopefully I'm gonna wash my sweaty face with jelly water.
And the thing is, we don't bring no buckle.
We have a message where I go for a bag.
Yeah? If you have something that
Yeah, because if we go drink so much, we can't walk, so we should have bring. So yes, Miss Liquor making it work. It's raining, she and J-Bud making it work, you know it's raining. And the man in there on the side work. You know the thing over the fish well, Escop Beach. We're not talking about sea. We're talking about the Escop Beach. You know, and you have the beef. This brown shoe beef, and it's Liquor making it hot in the kitchen.
Yep.
J-Bud did it that way. It's brown, yes, sir. This one. Yeah. So that is it. Miss Liquor hot kitchen. And the rice hot. Hot. Slip on the steam, man. It's raining, you know. This liquor ain't playing, you know. Yeah. Could have rain, sunshine, or could I have a storm there, liquor have make it work. Yeah, man, so please, we need to subscribe to Liquor at Kitchen, you know. You know the thing, you have J-Bud as well too, with the brown stew beef. And the Esco Beach, not sea. I saw the fish name in Esco Beach. Yeah, man. Esco Beach. Colors over there, so I go and take it easy. You know, go and take it easy. There we go. The champion pan climbing the coconut tree. Few bruises and scratches where you know, say, undefeated. So, Miss Liquor I share like when Jesus I share with the loaf of bread. And if she.
What's your YouTube channel name again, Mommy?
Little Hot Kitchen.
Little Hot Kitchen.
Yeah.
Little Hot Kitchen. There we go. Some rice. Fish.
Socks over there, so I get the sun. What you say? Mixing mortar. Fish. Yeah, because the gravy difference, I'm good after those. You catch up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, if I have catch up for good. Good. Give thanks, so.
Fish and beef. Fish only.
No beef too.
Hey.
See there. Miss Liquor Hot Kitchen.
Hey.
Hot fish.
Welcome to the countryside.
Miss Liquor making it work, you know?
Yeah.
In the rain.
Alright, that's one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Good thanks, Liquor. Making it work. So Miss Liquor, so when them are watching, it's mouth watering, right?
Yeah.
They might forget Jivula. Whenever she's in the kitchen, just get the Jivula. You know, can you imagine if it's out here in the rain? So J-Bud over here, so with the beef, the brown stew beef, him say anytime him lift up the pot, but no so I get convert. Oh, smell good for chewing, you know, J-Bud. So me I keep it loyal, you know. Yeah, man, I hold it out. Nah, switch it out.
Tomorrow it will be my time to cook.
Okay.
So tomorrow you're cooking, D? Hey. So liquor is your teacher.
Tomorrow, what time I go cook? Tomorrow we have an engagement. I don't know what time. Just for tidy. The church, I don't know what time they're going to start.
This is it in Jamaica. This is what them do in Jamaica. It's raining. Portland, and you see the boat just land. The food land. Man, over here, so I mix concrete. You know the thing. The colors, what I go and relax. Family them there out and about. The dog there, cold, trembling away from film pot. Oh, yourself, dog. All bones belongs to you.
Yes, mine is
All bones belongs to you, dog. Don't worry. This liquor hot. Check out the hot kitchen. So Miss Liquor, what's your target? How many subscribers do you have now? 11,000? Okay then, so you're on the road to 20,000, right? She's on the road to 20k. So she's at 11. So come on, she's on the road to 20. Let's get her right there. She's on the road. J-Bud, how much you have? 15. So J-Bud have 50, eh?
15.2.
Alright, so he's on the road as well to 20. Wow. Everyone climbing up the ladder right here.
Where the knife?
The knife. Over there, so sit over there, so then. Yeah, man, this is the Portland vibes, you know. Well, that's a deep favorite avocado.
I just want to start eating.
Hey, see there.
Best fish ever.
Pretty.
Tilapia. Tilapia.
Is that tilapia?
Red snapper.
What's
Thank
that?
you, Mommy.
It's not snapper. That's jack. That's jack and the beans there. You know, jack and the beans there. And jack without the beans there. You know it goes already. Jack without the beans. Huh? Rain? Water? Where's the water?
You have a shop here where you can get like drinking water?
Yeah. How close? Shop there close?
No,
Back where we're driving from? Yeah. Oh, up on the flat. So we have to go to the flat. See?
No,
Water side. On the flat.
I love it.
Yeah, man. So please go and check out Miss Liquor at Chicken Kitchen. Not Miss Liquor at Chicken, Miss Liquor at Kitchen.
Not chicken.
Not chicken. So go and check it out, you know. This is just like a basic. What she and J-Bud put aside, you know. For the hard work in labor, man, I put in some work. I will come raid it.
Welcome.
Like when them say police are raid place. We come invade it. You know, we and deal with there, you know. So remember, please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, like always, every time before watching. You know the thing though.
Makes everybody get something.
Looking out for all our kids then.
Yeah.
She's looking out for all her kids.
This is a belly wash. Look at this. This is belly wash. Big avocado.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.